Okay, good morning. So I wanted to share with you guys a recipe that I absolutely love, and it's a recipe for making your own homemade laundry detergent. Why should you do the effort of doing that, and how is that going to save you money? Well, it's really simple. It's going to end up costing you about 3 cents a load. And if you have very sensitive skin, sometimes store-bought laundry detergent can irritate your skin, and knowing exactly what's in your laundry detergent can really help alleviate some of that. And there's no harsh chemicals. So like I said, it costs about 3 cents a load. You just need 1 teaspoon per load. That's it. And you just need 3 simple ingredients. One is your borax, which will cost you about $3.20 at Walmart, plus your Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. This will also cost you about $3.20 at Walmart for this box. And then the soap. This is the Fells Naphtha. It costs you about 97 cents. It's a bar soap. So you need 1 cup of the borax, and you just mix it in a container because you want to supply it there. So grab your measuring cup, 1 cup of borax. I love this stuff too. I've been using this for years. And my daughter has extremely sensitive skin, and so this detergent really works for her. So it makes a win-win, and this will work on HE washers also. So that's 1 cup of the borax. And then you need another cup of the Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Super Washing Soda is what it's called. 1 more cup, come on. Give it sitting around for a while. You know how it gets kind of chunky. So you need 1 cup of that to add in. We're almost there. Okay, and then last but not least, so this was relatively easy. You're almost there. The most difficult part is taking this bar soap, which I'll open up for you, and you have to grind it very finely. And so that is somewhat of a process. I would say the whole thing takes me about 10 minutes to make, but here's the bar of soap, and I already grinded it up already like this, but you have to go even further. So I ground up the soap on a regular cheese grater, just like this. So I got it, broken down so it's not in a bar form. Then what you need to do is a coffee grinder, a dedicated coffee grinder for grinding up this soap is the best thing, because after you get the soap in here, it's really hard to get the soap out of here if you want to use it to grind your coffees. But so once you have it grinded down to here, it takes it into a very fine form. I'm going to show you real quick. Grind it up. And then, so it grinds it up to a very fine soap. So then you want to add the whole thing into here, the whole bar soap, after you've grounded it up into fine, very thin pieces. And then, once you're done, shake it up a little bit. Now be careful, this is powder, so after you're done shaking that, you gotta let it sit for a second. So shake it up, and then you will take a teaspoon of laundry detergent and put that in your wash.